everybody, it's Katrina. Hi, welcome to the Crafty Corner. So this is one of my teen unbaskets. This is actually on a platform and not in a basket, but this is a teen concept. And in here we have the 6-piece large bath bomb set, which was the Looney Tunes. If you remember, I got these at Walmart where she was taking 90% off the already 75% sales price, so I got these for next to nothing. I also included some hand cream in here, as well as our bath salts for the feet and the little gems. And then this is a Disney Princess makeup brush kit. We have our hand mask on the back, as well as 3 of the face masks that I got from Temu. And then all of our snacks on this particular basket are in the front. So this one we have our cotton candy. I have 3 eggs there. We also have some nail polish, our Peeps, Cheez-Its, Airheads. I also included those heart-shaped keychains that I got. And we have a little plushie down there. And I included the plushie because a lot of teenagers still like stuffed animals. I have a 32-year-old that loves stuffed animals. So please tell me what you think in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Hi everybody, it's Katrina.